Hello children, today I will make a sound creating setup in front of you which is very easy to make and it will produce sound like a cricket. For that you just need a bottle cap, one button, one rubber band, thread and scissors. First of all, take this thread and we want little thick thread, so let's just fold it once like this, and then after that tie a knot in this thread like this. And now after this, after approx 3 or 4 centimeter, tie another knot. Now repeat this thing in the whole thread. That I mean we just need at least 10 to 12 knots of this type like this. See, there are many knots in this thread. Now after this, pass this end through one of these holes of a button and tie a knot. Now after this, cut this rubber band . Pass through another hole of this button and tie a knot at the end. Now after this, insert this bottle cap into this rubber band like this. This button should be on the top. This way the setup is ready. Now using your index finger and thumb, simply do like this. So basically this is producing sound because every time your finger touches this knot, this button hits this bottle cap. So there is a very simple science behind this setup by which you can create sound like a cricket. Now go, try this and produce sound.